Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a real project I worked on for a law firm, where we built an entire AI video library from scratch, and I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. A law firm came to me with kind of a simple but annoying problem they were dealing with. Their clients kept asking the same questions. Things like, how often are you going to update me on my case? What happens next? That kind of stuff. And honestly, when they first reached out, I wasn't sure how big this was going to be, but it ended up being 30 videos. So let me walk you through how that actually happened. So the firm, personal injury attorneys, their team was basically stuck in this loop where clients would call or email asking the same basic questions over and over again. And look, it makes sense from the client side. You've been in an accident, you're stressed, you want answers. But from the firm side, their people were spending so much time just answering the same thing repeatedly instead of actually doing legal work. So they wanted something that could just answer these questions for them, automatically, without them having to pick up the phone every time. So what we did was basically build them a video library, 30 short videos, each one answering one specific question their clients kept asking. I used Synthesia for this, which if you don't know it, it's an AI avatar tool where you write the script and an AI presenter delivers it on screen. And actually, let me show you one of the videos we made so you can see exactly what I mean.
Let's answer the question we often receive. How often will I hear from you about my case? Hi, I'm Emily, Cascio Injury Attorney's AI assistant, and the partners have approved this content. The short answer to how often will you hear from us is that it varies. Sometimes we may call you frequently as we are gathering information. Other times we may just check in once a month. There's a good rule of thumb to follow. If you haven't heard from us and it's been at least 4 weeks, either call or email for a status on your case. Our policy is to always try to respond to you within 1 business day. If for any reason you haven't heard back from us, please call us back. We've handled thousands of cases with compassion and years of experience on our side. We've recovered millions for our clients, and we have the experience to fight for you. We hope you found this information helpful. We're glad you chose Cascio Injury Attorneys. It's just not worth it to take a chance on your case.
So yeah, that's the kind of thing we were producing. Clean, professional, get straight to the point. And we did 30 of those. And after they went live, the firm told me that the repeat questions from clients dropped quite a bit, which makes sense, right? Because now instead of waiting to get someone on the phone, a client can just go to the website or YouTube, find the video that answers their question, watch it, and they're done. So if you're running any kind of service business, doesn't have to be a law firm, and your team is constantly answering the same questions from customers, honestly, this is something we're thinking about. It's not complicated to set up, and the impact is pretty immediate. Anyway, if you've got questions about how something like this could work for your business, just drop them in the comments. Happy to help. And if you're finding these videos useful, subscribe because I'm going to keep sharing real projects like this one.